Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the food review, everybody. Doing a food review today for a Hifive chicken. High five that chicken. Yeah. Alright, hope everybody's having a blessful day. Make sure you get out there, try something new. Review the food. Review the food. Review the food. Review food. Review food. Food review. La 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 la. Guys, here we go. We're gonna take the food out. The food out. How's the French fries, my guy? Is it good? It's good. Yeah, it's good. What do we got? What do we got? Can't even see anything. Frenchy fries right here. Nice bag. I like it. Greasy. You already know it's good. Wow. Nice. I would have expected like a nice high five symbol right here. You know, come on, guys. High five. Where's the high five the chicken? No. There's no writing here. I don't get no high five for the chicken. Come on, bro. I squished my bun. What the? Bro, my chicken done got ran over, boy.
My mind is falling apart.
Let's see what we got in here. What is all in here? Ooh, that looks good. We got the sauce on there. Looks like smells like
what
mayonnaise.
What did they put on mine?
Chicken on there. Pickles, little bit of lettuce. Sorry guys, I was not showing you. That's about it. Mayonnaise, pickles, lettuce, chicken. The chicken looks really good. Okay, let's try this piece.
I want the chicken up. $100. See me.
Alright, let's try this burger.
Bruh.
That's the burger. Yeah, okay. Looks good.
Let's go.
The mayonnaise has a different taste, which is nice.
Go try the Hifive chicken.
But honestly, the chicken is what does it.
Yeah.
The chicken is actually crispy. It says on here, farm fresh chicken, 0 trans fat oil, natural ingredients, gluten friendly chicken, no MSG. So honestly, it's really good. Proudly Canadian, okay. I don't really care about that. You know what's crazy? Look at that. It says proudly Canadian, but then look at that. www.com. Isn't that United States?
Yeah.
It still tastes good though. I love it. Hifive chicken. Yeah. Tastes so good. It tastes so good, you're about to give your other hand a licking. Oh. Okay. But thank you guys.
No, don't stop it.
I hope everybody goes and checks out Hifive chicken. You know, not sponsored yet. No.
Hifive chicken.
But yeah, man. Everybody have a blessful day. Much love, enough respect. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure you leave a like, a comment down below. Let us know if you've ever tried Hifive chicken and let us know if you liked it. Because we liked it. It tasted so good, make you want to give your other hand a licking. Alright, Hifive chicken. We out.